guys, welcome back to Stuffy Creates. Today we are doing a little do-it-yourself blocks, letter blocks. So you just need some blocks. I have 1 inch by 1 inch. I got a little sander to kind of sand them down because I did use them for another project and it didn't work, and so now they got like scratches and stuff. So I'm going to sand these down. And then I decided on this color, Ocean Breeze. It's pretty close to my favorite color, Robin's Egg Blue. But this is one of the colors I picked for my pastel Christmas, so I want to use that. And then I picked out some paper from the Brights collection. I can't remember what it's called. Mary Brights? I don't know. It's from Michael's. I picked out this paper. I've already cut it into my little 1x1 squares, or should I say my Cricut cut it, because there's no way I was going to cut all these. So I have those, and we're going to Mod Podge those on after the paint dries. And then I got my vinyl already here with my letters on it. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I have my letters here ready to go in gold. So that's all. Yeah, that's all you're going to need to start with. So let's go ahead and get started on this project. Okay, now that I got them all sanded down, I'm going to paint them. Again, I have Ocean Breeze. Put it in my little cup here. And I'm just going to paint. Alright, so I have all my painted blocks here. I have my paper. I have a little container for my matte Mod Podge. I'm just gonna squirt it in there. Got my paper. I'm just gonna open it up. I put it in this little container so that my cats didn't put them everywhere. Alright, so one end is gonna have the letter. The letters are going to be on 2 ends. So the other ends will be the paper. So I hope this works. So I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on there. Stick my paper. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way around and stick my paper on, and then I'll put Mod Podge over. I'm not grabbing certain ones either. I'm just grabbing and putting them on. To me, it doesn't matter the pattern. Like, I'm not lining up the snowflakes because they really won't line up. And now I'm going to put Mod Podge over. So that's what I'm going to do to all these little squares. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love it. Alright, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I got all my blocks with the paper on them. So now I want to do my letters. So I cut out one piece of transparent transfer tape. Because honestly, I'm not going to need a lot. So we're going to start with the M. And I'm just going to take a random block. I don't know which one this is. I'm just going to take one. And kind of put it on the middle of the block, like so. There. And if I calculated right, let's see. Yeah. So the R is going to go on the other side. So I'm going to turn the block over and put the R on the other side in the middle the best I can. Voila. Voila. So cute. All right, I'm going to do the rest of them. Okay, so I finished all the letters on the pieces. So I have a couple of blank ones. So I picked out some cardstock or cardboard kind of stuff out of the Candy Brights collection, like the kit. So what I'm going to do is put my Mod Podge on here and stick that little guy on there. Okay. And then I'm going to go to the other side to stick the other side on. Just sliding around there. All right. Wipe off some of this excess here. And then I'm going to take my last blank one here. There we go. And stick that one on. Okay, and then I'm going to put the Mod Podge over the snowflakes. Like so. And there is that. So let's do the next thing. Okay, so I don't want to do resin on this because I just feel like it's just not going to turn out right. So instead I'm going to use my glossy accents to seal in the letters. So hopefully this works. Alright, so then we're going to let that dry. I'm going to do all the other letters off camera. And once it's dry, I will do the other side. And then once the other side, sorry, there's a bubble. Once the other side is dry, then I will come back and show you the finished product. It's almost like putting resin on it. Alright, so here's my finished product, and I really love it. I did use glossy accents all the way around. So they're shiny little blocks. Love them. So here it is. Sorry, I was playing around with it. And this is how I'm going to have it stacked. And I was going to glue them together, but I decided against that. So yeah, this is how it will look. And then on the back side. So on the back side, well, when you're looking at it, it'll be rotated. Sorry. Dropped one of my blocks, sorry. I will say that, but it would be more like... That's why I didn't want to glue them, so that I can flip. Because at this time, it actually looks like this on the opposite side, which isn't too bad. It's still really cute. I love them, but I like to be able to put them wherever. I was gonna put them on their own little stand, but I think they work perfectly all by themselves. I think they turned out super cute. I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks, guys. Bye. Have a good one.